Good morning, children. Sairam. Let's continue with our lesson 10, Tenali Raman II. Look at this picture. You know the children. The children were staging out a play, and this is the mango orchard. And one man who stole out of his house, when he passed through, he heard the high voices of children, and he found it something interesting which made him to stop there to listen. And what he found, he realized that the children were staging out a play, and it was about a royal court, a day in the royal court of Vijayanagar. And what he did, he found one boulder. So this is a boulder, and he is watching their play, and the children are unaware. And who is this man, children? Okay, so we will read further to find out. Till where we have read? We have read when the boys have set up the throne for the king, and they have the soldiers, courtiers, crown for the king and all. When the king shouted, he yelled, "Soldiers, bring in the first case." Then who came? Keswa. But his problem was real. What was his problem? His problem was his neighbor's cow was eating up his garden's pumpkin, and you can say stamping that lime trees and destroying his garden, even his mother's precious roses and marigolds. And even they were afraid of his neighbor. The reason was he was a wrestler. Let's read further to find what are the solutions given by the king or minister or his courtiers. Lesson 10, Tenali Raman II. The courtiers were coming up with possible solutions. Build a stone wall around the garden, one boy suggested. Ha! Keswa gave a dismissing shake of his head. You think my father has the money for fancy stone walls? He is just a potter and he is still paying for the bamboo fence. Then stop growing bananas and pumpkins, said a thin boy with no front teeth. And then what will my amma put in the sambar? Asked Keswa in disgust. Grass? The watching man, no longer able to stop himself, laughed out aloud. 6 pairs of astonished eyes swelled to stare at him. Forgive me, boys, the man muttered. I hope you don't mind my watching your play and listening to your problem. It's so funny. I mean, it's very interesting. You are most welcome, sir. The half-sized Tenali Raman spoke for the first time, waving a pudgy hand. Maybe you can suggest a solution to my friend Keswa's problem. So children, suggestion given by one of the boy was to build a stone wall. But what happened? Keswa, he gave a dismissing look. He didn't agree with it. The reason was his father was poor and he didn't have the money for that fancy stone walls because his father was a potter, and still he was paying for the bamboo fence. Then one of the boy, what he said? Stop growing bananas and pumpkin. But is this the correct solution? No. What the Keswa replied? He said, then what will his mother, amma, will put in the sambar? He said in disgust. Disgust means dislike. Grass. Now what happened? The man who was watching them, he started laughing. He laughed aloud. So what happened? All the 6 pairs of the astonished, that is the children, they were surprised eyes, they stared at him. They looked at him because they were unaware. They were not knowing that somebody is watching them. So what the man said? He said, forgive him. And he was watching their play. So one of the boy, what they asked, that is, you suggest the Solution. You give the solution for Keswa's problem. Who said this? The boy who pretended to be Tenali Raman. So, let's read further. Well, the man scratched his chin thoughtfully. Keswa could send in his goats to wreck his neighbor's garden as revenge. Keswa rolled his eyes in pure disgust. Oh Lord Shiva, help me. You think my punny little goats have the courage to enter the garden guarded by a wrestler and his huge cow? So, children, Keswa didn't agree with the solution given by the man. And what reason he gave? He said his goats were punny. Punny means small, weak, and the cow was huge. So goats didn't have courage to enter the garden, and garden was guarded by his neighbor, and he was a wrestler. And what is the meaning of the word swivel? Swivel means turned around quickly to face a different direction. Then the man suggested apologetically, maybe next time you could tie the cow to your fence and not let it go back. The chubby Tenali shook his tousled head. You are again forgetting the wrestler. He will come and beat up both Keswa and his father. And Keswa gave a vigorous nod in agreement. Then Tenali gave a patient sigh. It looks like only I, Tenali Raman, can solve the problem. Who can? All the courtiers asked together. Let's hear it then. Saluvatima crossed his arms and glared at his friend. What is the significance of glared in this sentence? So what is the meaning of the word glared? Glared means you are looking at somebody with bright eyes or in anger. So he glared at his friend. What the reason may be, children? Maybe he might be thinking, when the king and others are not able to give the solution, how Tenali, that boy was pretending to be the Tenali Raman, will give. Maybe this. And these are all questions, that is personal response you have to give. Personal response questions. It's pretty simple really. Tenali sighed. Even more importantly, and then turning to Keswa asked, what do you like more, Keswa? Pumpkin or paisam? Paisam, of course, Keswa said promptly. The next time the cow is busy chewing the banana plants or the pumpkin vine, get a pot and quickly milk her. Give the milk to your mother to make paisam or sell it in the bazaar to buy some pumpkins. Do this every time the cow enters your kitchen garden. Keswa gave a vigorous nod. I could do that. I am very good at milking cows and goats. Then when the wrestler finds that someone is milking his cow, he will tie her up with a thick rope and make sure she stays at home. Tenali Raman shrugged disdainfully. Quite simple really, don't you think? What does disdainfully tell us about the speaker? So, children, what is the meaning of this word? Disdainfully. Disdainfully is showing that one does not respect someone or something. So, Tenali Raman, he gave the solution. That is to milk the cow. And that milk he can sell in the bazaar and get money to buy pumpkins. Even he can make paisam with that milk. So he said it's quite simple, simple solution. And he shrugged his shoulders. That is, shrugged means you are moving your shoulders up and down, or moving your shoulders. That is, and he shrugged his shoulder that disdainfully. So children, look at this picture. Now this is the king. He is sitting on the throne. His crown, and the soldiers are guarding, and this Keswa See, he has brought the real problem. Though the children are playing, it's an act. But the problem brought by Keswa was a real problem. And he is the man who was sitting here at the boulder. And he is the boy who pretended to be Tenali Raman. And he gave the solution. So who was that man who was watching them? Still the suspense. So we will come to know when we will read further in the next session. Here is comprehension. That is exercise based on the part we have studied. Answer this question. What solution did the king offer Keswa? So what was the solution king offered? Yes children, what was the solution? The king asked Keswa to ask the neighbor to tie up the animal properly and pay for the damages caused by his cow. So this was the suggestion given by the king. Tie up the animal properly and pay for the damages caused. So, okay, what is the meaning of the word children when we say pay for the damages? It is compensation. So answer is the king asked Keswa to ask the neighbor to tie up the animal properly and pay for the damages caused by his cow. Second question is, why could Keswa not tie up the cow when it came to his garden? Yes children, why he could not tie? He could not tie up the cow because his neighbor was a wrestler. So he may beat him and his father. Let's see the answer. Keswa could not tie up the cow when it came to his garden because his neighbor was a wrestler and he would have come and beat up both him and his father. What solution is finally agreed to by Keswa? So what solution he agreed to? He agreed that he will milk the cow when the cow is busy eating the pumpkin. Let's see the answer. The solution that is agreed upon is to get a pot and quickly milk the cow every time it is busy chewing the banana plants or the pumpkin vine. So this is the solution Keswa agreed to, and he said he is good in milking the cows and goats. So answer is, the solution that is agreed upon is to get a pot and quickly milk the cow every time it is busy chewing the banana plants or the pumpkin vine. State whether the given statement is true or false. Question is, give the milk to your mother to make payasam or sell it in the bazaar to buy some pumpkins. So the statement is, yes children, true or false? The answer is true. Give the milk to your mother. So Keswa will give milk to his mother to make payasam, or he can sell it in the bazaar to buy some pumpkins. And payasam, you know children what it is. Payasam is, that is a sweet we make from the milk. That is we, in our language and all we say, in Hindi that is kheer. So that is payasam. Write past tense of beat. So what is the answer? Past tense of beat is beat. Past tense of beat is beat. Present tense beat, past tense also beat. So answer is beat. Write synonym for dislike. The synonym for dislike is disgust. Dislike, disgust. Write antonym for exit. Exit, enter. Answer is exit, enter. Tenali Raman shrugged disdainfully. Pick out the adverb and state is kind. So which is the adverb here? Adverb is disdainfully and is kind is adverb of manner. So thank you children. We will stop here and we will continue in the next session to find out actually who that man was.